alliums. They're absolutely beautiful. Ornamental onion. And there's the smaller ones, large flowering, grow to about 2 foot tall. Beautiful little things, but for the middle of a border, perfect. You get these little bubbles. They're like little lollipops. Lovely purple sensation, nigrum. They really are beautiful. Always remember, pointed end up, and you can tell where the roots are. Just be a bit careful and they'll do you good. There's some really good collections of these that make wonderful super globe mix you really can't beat. Parkers offer a spectacular mixture of up to 6 varieties in a variety of pink and purple and white shades. Many colours and heights go into the mixture, and for a varied display grow to a height about 50-80 centimetres and flower from early summer. Fantastic. I'm doing them in pockets along here because regimented line wouldn't suit me, so I'll probably put, say, 9 in this section. Lovely, lovely bulbs. Be beautiful blue purple spikes, and all you have to do with that is just cover it over. It's as easy as that. It really couldn't be easier. Just take out the air pockets and it's covered over. So it looks a bit bare at the minute, but it's not going to always look like that. Early summer, these are going to come up and be spectacular. Now invite the neighbours in for a little tipple. They come round the corner, they see what you've done, they're going to be sick as chips. They're going to want this. And you might, if you're very nice, tell them where you got them from.